This is a little tutorial on how to fix your Xbox, or also known as the RROD, Red Ring of Death. Enjoy.
Don't you hate that? Don't you just Doesn't it just piss you off? You look at it and you're thinking, fuck, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What am I gonna do? I'm about to lose it. I'm about to go buck wild on someone and beat them. I don't even know what to do. Oh my god, next person I see, I swear to fucking god, the next person I fucking see. Oh my god. Next person I see, I'm gonna beat the mess out of. You know what? It's just a motherfucking god. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the trick to repairing the Red Ring of Death on the Xbox 360. It's actually pretty easy. It's the quickest way I know of. I've tried them all. There's a penny trick, something to do with copper and the continuity and the copper. It makes a better connection. Replacing the heatsink under the condenser, wrapping the Xbox in a couple towels for like 45 minutes. Supposed to like warp the motherboard or something like that. But trust me, my way is a lot faster and easier, and you'll be like, the fuck didn't I do this before? So before I like to get started working, I like to, well, self-explanatory. Well, I said no! I said, you better not mess up my damn eggs. I like my eggs a certain way. If you fuck them up, you know what's gonna happen. That's right, I'm gonna whoop your ass. What did bitch, come on. I said I like my damn eggs a certain way. If you can't fucking make them right, then don't make them at all, alright? Hurts me more than it hurts you. Get the fuck out of my office. Let's get the mother. Alright, I got my tools all right here. I've already taken the cover off the Xbox to make this a little bit quicker. Alright, let's get started. Last screw, forgot to take it out. Okay, it's being still there. Here I got, hold on. Alright, that got it. Alright, so you're going to see, hold on. Okay, take this off. That just sort of funnels the air in so it doesn't overheat. Air goes in here and through this sort of intercooler thing, cools off the gases that are in these heat lines here. Same with it as a condenser here. You're going to want to take these out. Let's see here. Just like that. And this is the secret to making it work perfect. Check this out. Clear wood finish. It's really fucking spray that. It cools it down somehow and it puts a clear coat on top. Sort of helps it resist the heat a little bit. It disperses the heat. And then you just reverse the process. See the fans there. Stick that there. Let's get it in. There we go. Wait. And screw it down. Alright. Just make sure this is all plugged in right here. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Put that right there. Right there. I think this goes right there. Right, yeah. Okay, then you put the cover on like that. I'm sorry, that's the bottom. That's stupid. I had everything set up for you guys before I started making the video, so it wouldn't look like I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, trust me. Make sure the light is in there. Okay. And I think that's pretty good. Alright. And with the magic of editing, I'll put the outside shell back on. Alright, now that I got it all put back together, make sure the hard drive's on there right. Put the case back on, everything's snug, tight. See if this works. Magic. And that, my friends, is how you get rid of the Ring of Death.